Crash course on Japan: how Japan became a great power in only 40 years. Japan is a fascinating country with a rich history, culture, and economy. In just 40 years, Japan transformed itself from a struggling and impoverished nation into a global superpower. Here is a crash course on Japan and how it became a great power. Geography and history. Japan is an island nation in East Asia, consisting of 4 main islands and numerous smaller ones. It has a long and storied history dating back thousands of years. Japan was largely isolated from the rest of the world for centuries, but in the mid-19th century, it began to open up to the world and modernize rapidly. Industrialization and technology. One of the keys to Japan's rapid rise to power was its rapid industrialization and technological advancements. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Japan adopted Western-style industrial practices and quickly became a major industrial power. Japan's industries focused on steel, shipbuilding, and textiles, and its factories were some of the most efficient in the world. Military and politics. Japan's military played a key role in its rise to power. The country's military leaders were focused on expanding Japan's territory and influence in Asia and the Pacific. Japan was involved in several wars in the early 20th century, including the Russo-Japanese War and World War II. After World War II, Japan became a constitutional monarchy and focused on rebuilding its economy. Economy. Japan's economy is one of the largest and most advanced in the world. Japan is known for its high-tech industries, including electronics, automobiles, and robotics. Japan is also a major exporter of goods, particularly to the United States and other Asian countries. The Japanese economy experienced rapid growth in the 1960s and 1970s, and despite some setbacks in recent years, it remains a major economic power. Cultural and social aspects. Japan's culture is unique and diverse, and it has had a significant impact on the world. Japan is known for its food, art, and entertainment, including anime, manga, and video games. Japan is also a leader in technology and innovation, particularly in areas such as robotics and artificial intelligence. Japan's society is known for its politeness, respect for authority, and strong work ethic. Interesting stories and examples. The Meiji Restoration. In the late 19th century, Japan underwent a period of rapid modernization known as the Meiji Restoration. The country adopted Western-style industrial practices and political systems and began to assert itself on the world stage. The Meiji Restoration transformed Japan into a modern nation and set the stage for its rise to power. The Battle of Tsushima. In 1905, Japan defeated Russia in the Battle of Tsushima, one of the most significant naval battles in history. The battle cemented Japan's status as a major military power and helped to establish it as a dominant force in Asia. The Toyota production system. In the 20th century, Japan became known for its efficient and innovative manufacturing processes. The Toyota production system, developed in the 1950s, revolutionized the way that goods are produced and is still used today in factories around the world. The Sony Walkman. In 1979, Sony introduced the Walkman, a portable cassette player that revolutionized the way people listen to music. The Walkman became a cultural phenomenon and helped to establish Japan as a leader in technology and innovation. The Fukushima disaster. In 2011, Japan experienced a devastating earthquake and tsunami that resulted in a nuclear disaster at the Fukushima Daiichi power plant. The disaster had a significant impact on Japan's economy and energy policy, and raised questions about the safety of nuclear power. In conclusion, Japan's rapid rise to power is a testament to its hard work, innovation, and resilience. Despite facing significant challenges throughout its history, including natural disasters, economic setbacks, and political upheaval, Japan has continued to thrive and succeed. Its unique culture, technology, and industrial practices have had a significant impact on the world, and it remains a major player in the global economy and politics. One of the most fascinating aspects of Japan's rise to power is its ability to adapt and evolve over time. Despite being isolated from the rest of the world for centuries, Japan was able to quickly adopt Western-style industrial practices and become a major industrial power. Its military prowess and technological advancements helped to establish it as a dominant force in Asia and the world. Japan's cultural and social aspects are also unique and fascinating. Its food, art, and entertainment have had a significant impact on the world, and its society is known for its politeness, respect for authority, and strong work ethic. Japan's innovations in technology, particularly in areas such as robotics and artificial intelligence, continue to shape the future of the world. Here are 12 facts on Japanese economics miracles. 1. Rapid economic growth. Following World War II, Japan experienced a period of rapid economic growth, with its GDP increasing at an average rate of 10% per year between 1955 and 1973. 2. Export-oriented economy. Japan's economic growth was largely driven by its export-oriented economy, which focused on producing high-quality goods for international markets. 3. Strong government support. The Japanese government played a significant role in supporting economic growth through policies such as investment in infrastructure and education, and promoting exports. 4. Keiretsu system. The Keiretsu system, which is a group of affiliated companies with cross-shareholdings, helped to promote cooperation between firms and create a strong network of businesses. 5. Close relationship between government and businesses. The close relationship between government and businesses, known as Japan Inc., helped to facilitate economic growth through coordinated efforts and a focus on long-term goals. 6. High savings rate. Japanese households have traditionally had a high savings rate, which helped to provide funding for investment and economic growth. 7. Emphasis on innovation. Japan has a strong focus on innovation, which has led to advancements in areas such as technology, manufacturing, and robotics. 8. Lifelong employment system. The lifelong employment system, where companies provide job security and benefits to their employees, helped to promote a stable workforce and a strong work ethic. 9. Low crime rates. Japan's low crime rates have helped to create a safe and stable environment for businesses and investment. 10. Strong education system. Japan has a strong education system, which has helped to produce a highly skilled workforce that is able to adapt to new technologies and industries. 11. Consensus-based decision-making. Japanese companies and government agencies often make decisions through a consensus-based approach, which helps to promote cooperation and avoid conflicts. 12. Trade liberalization. Japan has increasingly embraced trade liberalization and opened up its economy to foreign competition, which has helped to drive innovation and growth. In summary, Japan's rise to power is a testament to its hard work, innovation, and resilience. Its unique culture, technology, and industrial practices have had a significant impact on the world, and it remains a major player in the global economy and politics. The story of Japan's rise to power is one of determination, adaptability, and success, and it continues to inspire people around the world to this day. Here is a poem on Japanese economic success. From the ashes of war and ruin, a phoenix rose up in Japan anew. With hard work and determination, they built an economic foundation, an export-oriented economy, producing goods of high quality, supported by a government whose policies were always prudent. Keiretsu and Japan Inc. did thrive, promoting cooperation to make businesses thrive. Innovation was always in their sights. Advancements in technology, a source of delight. The lifelong employment system, providing job security and benefits in tandem. A highly skilled workforce, they did nurture. A safe environment with low crime ensured their future. Consensus-based decision-making, promoting cooperation, no quarrels in the making. Trade liberalization and foreign competition helped to drive innovation and expansion. From the rubble of war, Japan rose up to soar. An economic success story, a triumph of hard work and glory. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place. and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.